Frank.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Good morning.
Another nice one.
Kind of ugly.
It's very interesting.
Okay, now I'm confused, because this looks like a carport, but there's no ramp to get up.
Wait, what?
What is this?
A little sitting area.
Sitting area?
I'm gonna assume we're probably gonna have to take this down.
More than likely, yeah.
What do you think that would run, like 2 grand?
Are you looking about $1,000?
About $1,000 bucks?
Yeah, with dump fees and everything, yeah.
All right, let's check this place out. Ooh, smells nice.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my God, look at this kitchen.
There's definitely an odor.
All right, so this kitchen is terrible. Is that where a washing machine goes, Frank?
Yeah, they actually had a wash machine over here, and it looks like there was gas for a dryer on the other side of the stove.
Weird.
We'd probably have to move it to the garage, right?
Hopefully.
What do you think that would cost?
It could be 3 to 5.
This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. The master suite is on one side of the house, and the other 3 bedrooms are on the other. So what does this go to? All right, this is a bedroom. So if we close this off, we can run more cabinets over here.
You could?
This is the bedroom that we were just looking at off the kitchen. So actually, you know what? If we closed off that door over there, because it's a 2-bathroom house, and just had a door here, then you have a private master bathroom.
Exactly.
So we would definitely have to do that if we bought this house. Ooh, it smells nice in here.
Ooh. What could we do in here to modernize this bathroom?
Just existing layout, there's not enough room. I mean...
We could at least like somehow try to close off the shower and bring it to the top, right?
Well, yeah, we can tile to the ceiling, of course.
The neo-angle is the only way we can go in here. So we're not going to get any more room. We just make it look nicer with new tile, new glass, new vanity, new toilet.
Since it's so small, let's go high end.
We're looking at about, what, 7,000 or 8,000 in here, Frank?
Yeah.
Look how small this bedroom is.
And this would be the master?
Oh, no.
Oh, I don't think it even fits a queen.
Gosh, this is bad.
The house isn't really very functional in general.
Well, even all the windows have to be changed because they don't meet egress.
So people can get out the window.
Correct.
How much is that?
5 grand.
It's tallying up.
Okay, second bathroom.
Ooh, you can smell it.
The air's like thick.
Gosh.
Yeah. What are we looking at in here?
New tub, small vanity, new toilet, about 7,000, 8,000.
Okay, this one smells like urine.
Oh, this was a bedroom. So actually, all you have to do is put in 2 new doors, and that's it.
Is this a 4-bedroom house?
Yeah, 4-bedroom, 2-bath.
That's the problem. That's why everything's so small, because they crammed 4 bedrooms into this small house.
Right, but specifically in this area, 4 bedrooms always sell for more money. People that are buying with kids in this price range, I mean, bedrooms are really important. It's actually a big benefit. So the good news is there's a huge backyard with a horrific patio cover.
What is this? There's like 5 different kinds of roof.
Frank, do you think any of this is permitted?
No, and it is attached to the house, so it is going to have to come down.
What do you think it'll cost?
About $1,000.
That's not too bad. So, I mean, if this was down, we'd get natural sunlight into the house, and then we can keep the existing concrete patio, and then we just do some decent landscaping.
It's a pretty big yard.
Big yard, family neighborhood, 4-bedroom house.
Based on all those numbers, what are we looking at overall here?
You're looking about 60,000 total.
So we need to make a decision. After a round of counteroffers and negotiating, we finally agreed to purchase the house for $340,000 with a quick turnaround 3-day escrow. You ready, honey? Demo?
My favorite. Ooh, what is that? Ew.
Okay, pull.
Patio's down. Hey, Frank.
Hey, guys.
What's new in here? What's going on?
Well, you wanted to put the laundry in the garage.
Yes.
We can't do that.
Why?
The garage isn't big enough per the city code.
So where can we put it?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
No, I understand, but where's the best spot where it's like kind of out of the way?
In that corner.
Right here?
And it's actually where the wash machine was, and we'll just have to put gas over here for the dryer.
So we'll just
We'll do a
enclose it
stack.
with whatever color cabinet we pick?
You can put bifold doors on it, but not necessary. We'll build a wall here to separate it from the kitchen.
So we have to somehow fit a laundry room, a stove, a microwave, a refrigerator, a sink, and then over there's a dining room.
Yeah, it's a pretty small kitchen. Anything else?
So what's going on with this?
Well, this was an old pocket door.
Right.
So half of it actually crumbled. So we're gonna take that other half out and either frame it in, or do you want it open?
Couple $100?
$300.
Let's open it. That'll make a big difference because when you walk through the door, you'll be able to see backsplash, uppers, and lowers.
Yeah, definitely open it up.
You got it.
All right, what's all this?
Okay, so 3 different laminate samples, all the same price, so we can just pick one that we think looks the best.
I mean, of the best of the 3 would be the light one.
Yeah, this one's more like natural looking.
Cool, we're on the same page.
Okay, it's gonna look really pretty. So this house definitely has a mid-century vibe, especially the fireplace.
Uh-huh.
So I think we need to do something to the fireplace that definitely stands out. So I have a really pretty stack stone.
You know we've done that in the past and it cost a fortune.
Take this in with me. There's absolutely nothing going on in this house. The kitchen's closed off. There's no hallway. There's nothing really beautiful about it. So I know that we could leave it and it'll look fine.
Yeah, because this already is a mid-century modern look.
Yeah, exactly. We could leave it and look fine, but it honestly is a very boring living room. This, on the other hand, is beautiful.
I'm
and
sorry.
It has a modern take on the mid-century modern that I think buyers are gonna love. I mean, just stand back. Just take it in, okay? It's very beautiful.
All right, so you really want to do it?
It'll definitely make it stand out. This is the only like really beautiful piece that's going in the house, so.
All right, stack stone it is. What do you want to do about the base?
I was thinking a marble.
Because there's not much going on and design is important, let's do it. But I still think we can get away with painting this thing gray.
Okay, thank you. I agree, but this is gonna look a lot better. It's gonna make the house really stand out. Okay, kitchen design.
So this is totally open now. The kitchen looks way bigger.
Yes.
The stackable washer and dryer will go here.
Okay.
So now that this wall is open, there's actually room to get in.
But don't forget, small kitchen. Over here is actually the dining room.
All right, I'll let you run with this one because I'm confused. I don't know how we're gonna make this work.
I picked some samples. I think going with this glass tile is really pretty.
Which color cabinet?
It honestly looks good with either of them.
Oh, you're right.
But I think with the light flooring, white's a better choice.
Is this the countertop?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
I think because the kitchen's so small and the wood's light, white will look more clean and crisp, especially with the laundry area.
You're right, we're gonna have to go white.
Okay, so we're good?
We're good.
All right, I'll let Frank know.
Look at that.
What? Why's the handle so high?
This door's upside down.
What do you mean?
It's supposed to be that way.
What?
Every time we come here, I kept thinking something was weird.
Where's the people?
Oh,
Shut up.
oh my God, I'm right. It was upside down. Look. I knew something was off. All right, let's get out of here.
Weird.
With all our design plans set, it's time to get moving on this flip.
This looks awesome.
It's cool too because it's 2 different glasses, you know?
Yeah, looks super pretty.
So this would just mulch square across and then that would be sod.
You got it. That's looking really good.
It's pretty, right?
Do you want a job?
No, I'm good. I'll keep my day job.
Oh, I'm sure.
Hey.
All right, your bench is just about done.
I thought it was gonna be all white. Right when I walked in, all I saw was like orange.
It's pretty orange.
We have to repaint it. Either white or potentially like a gray to go with the marble.
I think if we painted white, it would work. Here, the good thing is there's an eating area now. I think it's perfect, actually.
Yeah, once it's white.
Once it's white, yes. All right, I know this landscaping's not your favorite, but it works.
It definitely looks cost friendly. And the little picket fence area looks cute.
Yeah, that looks nice. Okay. Oh, the fireplace really pops when you walk in.
Staging looks amazing. Check out the kitchen.
Opening up this wall, huge difference.
Yes, love the staging. The turquoise looks awesome with the backsplash. My favorite part though, the fireplace.
Oh, the fireplace, spectacular.
What's this?
This is the stackable laundry here.
Inside the house, that's awesome, so I don't have to go to the garage.
And what about this eating area?
that's
Do you
gonna be
think that's
perfect.
going to be enough space for you
Let's
guys?
see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4 kids. They'll fit just fine.
Check out the bathroom.
I love the tile colors.
It's really cool.
So unique.
Good space outside, too. I do like the yard.
Oh my goodness, Nora, look at this soccer field.
Isn't that great? All new sod, it looks like.
All right. What
It's
did you ladies
amazing.
think? Oh, okay.
I love the tile work, and I love the square footage. It'd be perfect for us.
You know pricing, what do you think about the list price?
I think it's great. For the area, it's definitely a great price.
Okay, well, if you want to make an offer or if you have any questions, just give me a call.
Thank
Okay,
you so
have a great
much.
day.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for everything.
Bye.
After just 4 days on the market, we received multiple offers, which drove the sales price all the way up to $530,000. After closing costs, that makes for a total profit of over $96,000. Time to find another house to flip.